guys. We're trying some different things at Schneider House this year. This year, we have eggs in an incubator just like we normally do, and you will have seen some pictures of those on our site, I'm sure. This year we're going to try and candle the eggs so we can get a glimpse at the embryos within. I tried doing it with a flashlight and it just wasn't easy for me. And so my friend, he actually built me this homemade candler. It'll make things much easier. With this one, I just set it on top. You can see it like this in the daylight. When I'm using it, typically you can't see anything because it's dark. I need it dark so that the egg will illuminate and I can see through it. So I'm going to take my egg off of there and I'm going to show you the inside of my candler and you'll see how simple it really is. Alright, so it's tipped forward here. It's just a box and it has a light bulb in it. And you can see I've got some tin foil here and that's just to make the light reflect outside or reflect more. And so I would plug it into the wall socket. The light will come on. I put the box with the lid, on top of the box. And then I set my egg on it and I would rotate my egg and try and look and see if I can see the fetus growing inside my egg. So you'll have to check in because I will keep candling my eggs right up until the time that they will hatch. Hatching usually occurs around day 21, and so it's going to be exciting. I know we've been candling since about day 10, which is the best day to start. That's when things really start appearing in the eggs. So check it out. We'll see you later. This is day 11, and I think if we look closely you can see a black spot right there, and it kind of moves. Whoops, I gotta be careful of the light. Kind of moves around inside the egg. I think that could be the chicken fetus's eye. It's very cool. Let's just see if we can see it. Rotate the egg. I think over here you might be able to see some veins coming out. Did you see it move? I think that's all it's going to do tonight.